Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Welcome back to the class of Ravi sir, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9 to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson of standard 9th chapter 7, we are going to learn about triangle. In this video lesson, we will see the introduction and concepts of triangle. Right students? So first of all, let us see the definition of triangle. So what is triangle? Closed figure formed by three straight line, right? Closed figure formed by three straight line is known as triangles, right? Here it has three sides in a triangle and three vertices. Suppose this is a closed figure ABC. This is what? Triangle. A, B, BC and AC are sides of triangle, right? And A, B, C are vertices of triangle, and angle A, angle B and angle C are angles of triangles, right? So let us see the types of triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle having three equal sides. A triangle having three equal sides is known as equilateral triangle. Isosceles triangle. A triangle has two equal sides is known as isosceles triangle. A scalene triangle. A triangle has no equal sides is known as scalene triangle. Biangle. Acute angle triangle. An angle a triangle has three angles less than 90 degree, means measure of all the angles will be less than 90 degree, will be known as acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A angle having 90 degree. A triangle having one angle 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. In a triangle, one angle having measure more than 90 degree, right? Obtuse angle triangle has one angle more than 90 degree is known as obtuse angle triangle. Understood? These are the definitions by sides and by the angles of a triangle, right student? Now moving about congruent triangle. What are congruent triangle? Right? If any three parameters of two triangles are given to triangles are same, then the triangles will be congruent triangle, right? Either angles will be equal or sides will be equal, or one sides will be equal. Here are two triangles ABC and DEF, right? Here AB is equal to DE, or we can write BC is equal to EF, or AC is equal to DF, or we can write angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. In this way we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangle, right student? Okay, moving to the next topic. Congruence rule. SAS means side angle side, right? So by these rules we can say that those two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and included angle of the other triangle, right? For example, here considering a triangle OAB and CD, right? Here OC is equal to what? OD, and OA is equal to OB, and angle BOC is equal to AOB, right? So here we can write in triangle AOD and ACOB, right? So OC is equal to OD, angle COB is equal to AOD, right? And OB is equal to OA, right? So these two triangles are congruent triangle. Now the next is ASA, angle side angle, right? So two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included sides of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle, right students? Let us see with figure. Here is been triangle ABC, other triangle DEF, angle B equal to angle E and angle C equal to F, and angle B side BC is equal to EF. So angle B is equal to E, angle side BC is equal to EF, and angle C is equal to angle F. So here we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF, right student? Okay, now moving to the next rule, AAS, angle side rules. So, okay, two triangle are congruent if any two pairs of angle and one pair of corresponding side, right, are equal. For example, here is been triangle, consider triangle AOB and COD, right? So here AB parallel to CD, AOB and COD, here is O, right? And other triangle COD. So here we will see that angle ABO is equal to angle DCO, right? One type of alternate angle, right? Angle AOB is equal to angle DOC, and side OA is equal to OD. So we can say that triangle AOB congruent to triangle COD, right student? Okay, now moving to the next, SSS, side rules, right? If three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, right, then two triangles are said to be congruent, right? Here considering the triangle triangle ABC, other triangle DEF, equivalent these now comparing these sides with ABC and DEF of triangle. AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangle, right student? Now the next is RHS rule. RHS rule means right triangle hypotenuse right side. So if two triangle there, then if in two triangle they are hypotenuse and one side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the sides of the other triangle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent triangle. Considering two right angle triangle over here, two right angle triangle considering angle ABC and triangle DEF, triangle ABC, B is right angle triangle, another triangle triangle DEF. Here E is right angle triangle. Here AC is equal to DE because hypotenuse, and BC is equal to EF, right? So we can find out AB. So applying Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Similarly, DC square is equal DE square plus EF square, right? DF square over here. So AB will be what? We want to find out AB. So about AB is equal to square root of AC square minus BC square, and DE is equal to square root of DF square minus EF square. In this way we can say that AB is equal to DE, right? AB is equal to DE. So both the triangles are congruent triangle. Now the properties 1. The first property, angles opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangle are equal, right? So here has been triangle ABC, right, and D is median. So if AB is equal to AC, in that case angle B will be equal to angle C, right? Let us see the next property. Second property is about triangle. The sides opposite to equal angles of triangle are equal. This is converse of property 1, right? Here is triangle ABC. Here has been D is suppose 90 degree. AB is equal to AC. Here angle BAC is equal to angle CAD, right? In that case we can write what? Angle BAC is equal to CAB, angle ADB is equal to ADC. So triangle ABD congruent to ACD by SAS rules, therefore AB is equal to AC, right student? Okay, now moving to the next, inequality of triangles. What is inequalities of triangle? So inequalities of triangle, let us see the first one. In any triangle, right, the angle opposite to the longest side is larger. Here has been triangle ABC, right? Here is what is angle AC is the suppose longest side. So what about angle B? So angle B will be largest angle, right student? The next is, in any triangle, the side opposite to the greater angle is longest side, right? This is converse of first. So if angle B is largest, so AC will be the longest side. Okay student? Now the next, the sum of any two side of a triangle is greater than the third side. Suppose triangle ABC, here is been in triangle ABC, AB plus AC is greater than BC, AB plus BC is greater than AC, and AB plus BC is greater than AB, right? Now the next one, difference of any two side of a triangle is less than the third side, right? In triangle ABC, AB minus BC less than AC, AB minus AC less than BC, and AC minus BC less than AB. Okay students, here we are completing today video lesson. I hope you have understood. For more video lesson, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again students for watching this video till